What's going on, y'all? This is old Buck Carolina Crazy Outdoors. Before we get into the video, I want to thank every one of y'all who tune in. I really hope y'all enjoy the videos I put out, and now I want to thank my sponsors. JC's Outdoors, all your hunting and fishing needs. Live bait, guns, archery and apparel, serving breakfast and lunch. Flight Deck Restaurant, voted best family restaurant in Lexington. Great food, homemade desserts with the perfect blend of Southern and Greek flavor. Huge arcade to entertain the kids. Priceless Country Store, all your feed and seed needs, from dogs to horses and many animals in between. Fence supplies, livestock, accessories, and gardening. Twin City Concrete, for all your concrete needs. They pour driveways, slabs for porches, and shops and sidewalks. Car Craps Tire, all things tires, passenger, commercial, and farm machinery. They also do brakes and oil changes. Warren's Landscaping Services, everyday lawn care and maintenance, lighting, irrigation systems, and water features. Proudly serving Lexington and Gilbert for over 24 years. Tommy Corley Trapping, offers coyote trapping lessons. If you have a coyote problem, he can fix it. Sticks Baits, soft bait fishing lures, homemade molds made for bass fishing. Water Days, comfortable apparel for your day on the water. Proceeds provide swimming lessons and boater safety courses to minimize water tragedy. Anything you buy at Water Days, you'll get a 15% off if you use my code CAROCRAZY15. The Buzzard Drews, specializing in dog hunting, they carry tracking systems, lights, many training accessories, and plenty of other hunting supplies. Press on the link in the description to find what you need. What's up, y'all? This old Buck here, late Murray today. We're brim fishing, and if a shellcracker bites, we're gonna catch it too. But I found these fish right here on the bed. I mean, it's mid-August, so I mean, I'm no brim fisherman. I'll catch them on occasion, but I always thought the spawn will be over by now, but this brim bed is loaded. So, and I swam in the middle of them. They didn't have a care in the world that I was there. So this is when we were catfish noodling. But anyway, I got some wild ones with me today. Mr. Dawson, you excited to be out here? Mm-hmm. Hope you catch a fish. Yeah, my little girl Lila. Hey. My little wild boy Sawyer. So y'all ready to try to catch a brim and shellcracker? Mm-hmm. Excited? Mm-hmm. Let's do this.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Reel it. There you go. Hold it up and reel it. Over that way. Alright. Right here?
Yeah! Holy crap! Yay!
Look at that pretty brim.
Wow!
How like that?
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah. Red worms?
Daddy!
Look at that
Daddy!
there.
Daddy!
You talking about pretty?
Put them back. Dad, can I put him in the water back there?
If you want to try to tote him?
I'll try.
You want to try? Alright. Hold him by the mouth. Okay, Dawson. You reel it, buddy, reel it. There you go. Easy, easy, easy. There you go. Hold him back this way.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Daddy, we got you some.
Yeah. Alright, reel him on up a little bit. Oh, there you go. I'll hold right here.
Yeah.
Look at there, buddy.
I got one.
That's a pretty one.
Daddy, I want to put him in. No, I want to put him in. Daddy, I'm just going to hold him on my hand.
Y'all don't argue over the fish now. All right, ease back there and put him in. Don't drop him over the side of the boat. Here, get rid of Bubba. Reel it, Reel it, buddy, reel it.
Reel.
There you go.
I'll put
There you go. Up here. Up here. All right, hold your rod down a little bit. There you go. All right, lift him in.
Yeah, you got a little one. That's a big.
That's a good eating one, though.
Orange too.
Little red breast.
I'll put him in. Okay, now Dawson's putting one in. He got that one good.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Good. Oh, God, he got back in.
That scared me.
Another good eating one right there.
He was.
All right.
He's green.
You got him?
Yeah.
Use both hands. You'll put him in the live well. If y'all wondering, I'm having to hook the fish for them. I mean, I literally am having to put it right in front of their face, and I can see the fish, so they're having a blast. Here, get him, Ollie, get him. Get him,
Get him.
There you go. Move on down a little bit. There you go. Ooh. There you go. Bring it right here. There you go.
Whoa. Daddy.
Oh, good job.
We have 3 fishes.
Mm-hmm. That's 4 now.
That's 4. Okay.
Good there. Good eating side right there.
Hang on, like this.
All right.
Daddy, can I I put them in?
We're gonna fry these up tonight.
I'm gonna fry them.
Get him, baby. Handle that thing. Hold on one second, all right?
It feels like a snake is easier to handle.
Hey, Dawson, right here. Come here, Dawson. Here, boy. Reel it. Get over here and reel it. Easy. There you go. Reel him up. There you go. Ready? Get him in. Good deal. Oh, yeah, buddy. Look at that pretty thing. Late Mary Bream. Mid-August and they're on the bed. I figured it'd be everywhere by then.
Now here's my turn.
Yep. Come here, come here, sorry, come here, come here. This is a little one here, we might throw him back.
No, it's fine, we can keep it. We can keep it, Daddy.
Reel him up.
It's a big one.
There you go, reel him on up. We're not gonna keep him, baby. He's a little too little.
Can I throw him back in?
Yeah, absolutely.
My turn, Daddy.
One back. Ready?
Yeah, if we catch him again.
Yeah.
Oh, that hurt. It's my
That was awful.
Are those eggs supposed to be in the water or land? Daddy?
Craziest thing. Huh?
Daddy,
Huh?
I like that fish.
You like this fish?
Are they supposed to be, those eggs, are they supposed to be in the water?
Probably not. But anyway, hold on one second. So I got the boat over here posting these brim. They wasn't having it. So the other day, yesterday we were here catfish noodling. I swam right up in the middle of them. They didn't care. So I got in the water just like I did when I was noodling with my face piece on. Literally dropped it down right in front of this fish, and he had to have it. Hold on one second. Now I'm talking just a beautiful brim. Look at that sucker there. That's a nice. I got a big hand. That's a big brim. Pretty fish. But I'm gonna get back out there and we're gonna try it again. Yes, son. Don't. Okay, just be careful, okay? As you can see, it was hot. It's 90 degrees out here, probably 95. And we got the boat over there. I got her anchored down, and the kids is out here playing. They all got the life jackets on, having a good time. They caught 4 or 5 earlier. They done kind of got hot and lost interest, so now they having a good time in the water. But as you can see, I tried to get footage of this, and it was just awesome. I mean, I'm under the water, probably about 4 foot deep, and dropping it right in front of her face. I'm gonna try to do it again. Who knows? That might have just been a lucky moment, and it probably was. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm coming to you. crazy, man. Got out the boat. I am literally within feet of these fish. I'm sorry, not feet, foot. 1 foot, I was like on top of it. I just had a bass probably, you may see it on video, I don't know if you can. Literally a bass within 12 inches of my hand. Had another one probably 4 or 5 pounds behind me. I mean, it's just crazy that these fish have no care in the world that I'm right here with them. I don't know. The boat scared them. I got in the water with them. And I knew they were going to be like that because I seen them noodling the other day, and you can see them in the other video.
Daddy, can I go get a fishing rod?
Yeah, you can't, come here, baby, come over here. But it's hard for the kids to do this. They're just swimming now. He wants to get a fishing rod, but he can't go in the water. They can't see them, and you can't see them from up here, from the top. I'm out here deep around this dock, and I'm under there just dropping it in front of them. That's pretty cool. I love it. I think I done got a new passion now, getting under the water and catching them. Oh yeah, baby. Freaking love it. Oh, this is awesome. Hold on, I'm coming over there. Y'all, this is just unbelievable. I know I'm catching them better underwater. I don't. Yeah, baby.
Will you get that one in the boat next?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna get you over here and try to get you on one. This is a nice brim here. Look at that sucker right here. Look at there. Look at that. That's a nice one. Unbelievable, baby. I don't have no snorkeling thing for you. I know. This is just unbelievable that I'm actually. I don't want him to come. Oh, yeah, he's nice. See him? Hold your head up here, by.
Is it a black brim?
It's I mean, it's a brim.
His scales are black.
Turn your head. Let me turn him sideways. Get your head by. I see people how big that thing is.
It looks like bleeding.
But I mean, this fish here, I just can't get over how calm these fish are that I'm in the water with them. Like I said, when I got that boat up in here, we caught just a couple. Well, what, 4? Caught 4. Yeah. Anyway.
Well, the ones that we added.
Right, and they spooked. Most of the bigger ones, they just spooked and went on and off. And I parked the boat over here, and you see it over yonder, way out the way. And it's about, I'd say about 20 yards over here where we're at. But I mean, I'm right down in amongst them, and they don't have a care in the world, and I'm right there with them. And this is neat, man, neat. Let's try to catch another. Another one right here. Let's go, buddy.
There's so much. That's just 9.
He's about ready to flip,
There's
man.
9 of them. Actually, we'll beat this boat with those.
Man.
I'm still on it.
Oh, be still, baby.
Oh my gosh, look what. Oh! Wait, this is like a slip and slide.
Y'all come over this way.
I'm gonna run down it.
Yeah, y'all come over.
Okay. Is it bigger?
We're gonna examine him.
Daddy, I saw battle.
You like that airplane I found?
Daddy, I saw some chips.
Did you? Oh yeah. Like that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right, come on. Let's go throw them in the live well. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Daddy,
Good buddy.
put it on the side.
It's a nice one.
Daddy,
Good buddy.
we got a rope so we can tie it and hold it.
Oh, rope.
Pull it around. Yeah, we got it right here. Let's pull the fish around.
Get there.
Daddy,
Boy, that's a pretty brim. Oh, that's a pretty one there. God, look at that pretty fish. Golly, that's awesome. Look at there, y'all.
Wow.
How y'all at?
We're the bigger fish.
Yeah, y'all hear that?
No, you're the big fish.
I'm the whale.
We're
Man, these fish
we're
are
the
just
bigger
awesome.
whales.
It's just the
But no,
funnest
we're
I've
the
ever had brim fishing in my life. It ain't nothing like being down there with them.
Airplane!
There.
Your airplane? Where'd it go?
Pretty, ain't it, Dawson?
Yeah. I'll get him.
Yep. Oh yeah. Another nice one. Oh yeah. Yes, sir, buddy. Oh yeah, man. Look at that. Another one, baby. Whew. I love this. This is just great. I tell you what, one thing I just want to say is like these landowners up here, they know we're out here. They're not giving us any issues. They know we're not bothering anything, and it's well appreciated. We're just out here having a good time, and I wish all Lake Murray people was like this, but we all know they're not. But anyway, we're gonna be frying these bad boys up after a while. Oh yeah, he is. That's what I was talking about. Oh yeah, that's a pretty fish. Oh man, this has been a blast. Oh crap. Man, I was worried about him dragging a rod. Oh, this has been a blast. Come here, baby. I have had a great time out here. Caught enough fish to eat. We gotta have probably 15 or so now, maybe more, I don't know. But this has been great. There's probably another 25, 30 fish all around this area. I could sit here, honestly, I could probably catch all of them, but I'm not gonna do that. I've got enough. We're gonna leave the rest, let them do their thing. Next time you see us, we're gonna be frying these bad boys up tonight. Y'all have a good one. Just stay tuned, because we're gonna be picking out. All right, y'all, as promised, we're up here frying these old fish up. Got old Mike Yarborough with us. Appreciate you letting me put in over there.
Yes, sir. Anytime.
one of my sponsors.
That's right.
That's it, Yarborough's, how you say it?
Twin City
City Concrete.
Yep.
Check them out. And Dad's over here frying these fish up. There they are. Oh yeah. All I done was scale them. I didn't flay them or nothing. So we got all them brim we caught. We got some crappies fried up. Well, we got the hush puppies. The eggs already in there?
Yeah, they in there.
Okay. All right. Dad, keep on frying.
You got it.
I'll keep on catching. Dad, keep on frying. Next time you see us, we're gonna be sitting at the table tearing into them.
Hey.
All right, everybody, we got the fish ready. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I am. Hey, Miss Sophie.
You're not there sweating in the yard.
I've been sweating
with
too.
the kids.
All right. We about to pig out.
That's terrible.
So get up, boy.
Yeah.
I gotta have my left hand available. Son, get over here.
Oh, yeah.
All right, ready? All right, go.
God is great, God is good. Let us thank Him for our food. By His hands we all are fed. Give us Lord our daily bread. Amen.
Amen.
Shake a lot of love.
You know what we do?
You
What's
just
that?
join
We
right
shake
on
a lot of love.
You know what I did?
What?
All right, dive
My
in.
sharp
Don't mind.
shot. I
Go,
was
go, go
losing
ahead.
my finger.
Uh-oh.
It has sharp teeth.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, how is it?
Good, man, good. Make a bulldog break his chain.
Oh, yeah. All right, everybody, I caught these things. The kids caught some, and I caught these things actually. I was under the water with the fish when I caught them, so it's pretty cool. But anyway, hope y'all have a good one. Hope y'all enjoyed this. We'll see y'all next time.
Thank you.